Hey, I'm Edward Unthank. Let's talk about a buzzword. The buzzword is going to be a dark factory. The whole point on a dark factory is that there's kind of a spectrum between having things being fully human done, built for 100% human, all the way to being fully 100% done by AI. Dark factory takes from actual manufacturing process, which is an idea that if you only have robots and the robots are your only workers in a factory, that you don't need the overhead lights on. You don't need to actually have things be designed for humans. You can have it designed for robots in the factory to run the factory. That's called a dark factory. There's some steps in between here. I've heard a good analogy be to describe this as the levels of kind of the self-drive of driving assistance via AI, all the way to full self-driving, all the way down to things like steering assist and some intelligence layer. And I think there are improvement loops along there, improvement steps along there. Human in the loop is one example. But when people say a dark factory, they mean it is 100% automated. There is no in-between manual steps. And that's the path that people are describing this, especially in the dev world here. So I'm Edward Unthank, helping bring you along with the AI path. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.